Hello, today I'm going to show you the process of double stuffing. Double stuffing allows us to make a load of custom colours so that we can match people's dresses, flowers or whatever it might be to make their event even more special. It is quite simply the process of putting one balloon inside another, and what you're going to need to achieve that is a pokey pointy something to be able to place your balloons inside the next. I like to use a chopstick, but I've seen people using pencils, tent pegs, balloon straws, balloon sticks, you name it. There's lots of things that we can use, and all we need to do is take our balloon, stretch it over our tool, whatever that might be, and place it inside the other. So this is a fashion blue inside a fashion white, and when we inflate these, you will see, let me get this up to size to begin with, you will see exactly what I mean. So on the right hand side here is my fashion blue. I've placed my fashion blue inside a fashion white, and you can see the difference in colour that gives us, a really subtle change just by double stuffing and placing one balloon inside the next. Another thing that's quite fun to play around with is double stuffing with different textures. So for example, this is a satin pearl balloon, and here I have fashion navy, which I'm going to put inside that satin pearl, and then I also have a plain navy too. So we'll inflate these two. And then we'll also just take our plain pearl as well and inflate that one. So there's 3 balloons there, and you can see just by playing around with texture the kind of tones and tints and textures that we've been able to achieve just through the process of double stuffing. So find yourself a pointy stick, a pointy implement, get double stuffing and see what colours you can come up with.